The installation environment for PV modules is not always ideal, especially in sandy environments, dust-prone industrial areas, or on low-tilt installations. Due to the frame's A surface being significantly higher than the glass, dust accumulates at the frame, which leads to various issues. Reduced power generation revenue, increased maintenance cost. In severe cases, it can cause hotspots and even fire. To address this, AIKO has developed the patented ABC Anti-Dust modules, solving the problem once and for all. AIKO ABC Anti-Dust modules offer two key advantages: strong self-cleaning capability, high load compatibility. The height of the A surface on conventional module frames causes dust buildup. AIKO's short side with small A surface design ensures smooth water drainage, enhancing the self-cleaning capability and preventing dust buildup, significantly reducing operational and maintenance cost. Unlike conventional anti-dust modules that have exposed sealing glue and compromised reliability due to the lack of an A surface on the short side, AIKO ABC anti-dust modules feature a 0.5 mm small A surface design, greatly enhancing sealing effect and long-term reliability of the module frame. Based on IEC load and damp heat tests, ABC modules show minimal power loss ranging from as low as 0.08% to a maximum of 1.28%, well below the 5% requirement. Empirical tests show AIKO's anti-dust modules deliver a 2% average increase in power generation per watt. For a 1 megawatt power station, this results in a 480,000 CNY increase in earnings over 30 years. AIKO ABC anti-dust modules. More power, greater reliability, and ultra safety.